Pakistan, the nation that denied Kargil, that disowned its soldiers' bodies, that for years claimed we don't export terror, has finally admitted the truth. And how? By accident. Islamabad has awarded gallantry medals to 138 soldiers of Operation Sindoor. Yes, 138 for the Pakistani soldiers who died in Operation Sindoor. Now, medals are not handed out for nothing. If 138 are being decorated, the real number of dead is far higher. 500, maybe even 1,000 soldiers lost in just 36 hours of combat with India. Pakistan's biggest admission since Kargil. And now comes the question. Rahul Gandhi and opposition, are you watching? Because remember when India struck in 2016 with surgical strikes, when India hit Balakot in 2019, the opposition and Rahul Gandhi said, "Show me proof." They questioned the army. They doubted their own government. And in doing so, they echoed Pakistan's denials inside India. So the question is to Rahul Gandhi, will he ask Pakistan for proof this time? Will he demand to see their coffins, their names, their bodies? Or is his skepticism only reserved for Indian army and never for Pakistan? This time the proof doesn't come from New Delhi. It comes from Islamabad. And by its own admission, Pakistan bled heavily under Indian fire.
We have at least 5 fighters confirmed killed and 1 large aircraft or an AWNC aircraft, which was taken on at a distance of about 300 kilometers.
But this is not just about numbers. It's about justice. Justice for 26/11. Justice for the parliament attack of 2001. Justice for the countless terror strikes during the UPA years when dossiers replaced decisive action. Let's not forget, during those years, separatists like Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani enjoyed state protection, security and facilities. And Pakistan honoured him with its highest civilian award. That was who Rahul Gandhi's Congress indulged. Now contrast that with today. Modi's India has drawn clear red lines. Terror and separatism will not be tolerated. Cross the border and Pakistan will pay a price.
टेरर और टॉक एक साथ नहीं हो सकते। टेरर और ट्रेड एक साथ नहीं चल सकते और पानी और खून भी एक साथ नहीं बह सकता।
The contrast is stark. Under Vajpayee in Kargil, Pakistan's lies collapsed. Under Manmohan Singh's UPA, dossiers, files, no action. Under Modi, Operation Sindoor, a decisive strike, a heavy price for Pakistan. So the question is simple. If Pakistan itself admits to these deaths, is there still room for doubt? And if Rahul Gandhi cannot question Pakistan's numbers, does he have any right left to question India's victories? Because this is Pakistan's admission that closes the debate. And Rahul Gandhi must answer. Why proof for India but silence for Pakistan? Or will the proof for politics finally end here? Operation Sindoor is more than a battle. It is justice delivered. Pakistan has confessed, and India has shown the world terrorism will not go unanswered.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.